Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gwen and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a requested video. So this is going to be a updated twist out routine. And so I will be taking you through what I do on wash day, like, how I styled it, how I refreshed it, the takedown, how I fluffed it out and everything. So if that is something that you're interested in, please keep on watching. And if you enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also be sure to turn on all your notifications and follow me on Instagram and TikTok at SoNaturallyGwen. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, let's get started. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair. And first what I'm going to do is take my hair out of the towel and put a shower cap or plastic bag over it just to keep my hair dry. I'm starting on the bottom section of my hair. I'm just going to take some almond oil mixed with some essential oils and put it on my scalp as well as my hair to add a little moisture. And then I'm going to make a section from ear to ear and separate out the bottom section. The products I'm going to be using are the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner, the Curl Theory Multi-Style Cream, castor oil, and Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So I'll be applying these products in order. So LCO Leave-In Cream Oil. This makes it so that my hair has multiple layers of products to hold in the moisture, and then the oil seals it in so that my hair doesn't dry out as quickly. Now I'm going to be flat twisting my hair. I like to make the hair go away from my face. So I twist the hair away from my face, but then I twirl it the opposite direction towards my face. And then as you can see, I'm adding more moisturizing products to the ends of my hair. And then that's when I apply the Jamaican Black Castor Oil to really seal in all of that moisture. Then once I get to the ends, I apply a flexi rod to the ends. So now moving on to the next section, I'm just going to be repeating the same steps. So I'll be showing you the whole row of this hair, so 4 twists total, and then I will be probably skipping to the front for the sake of time. So I'll just let you enjoy the music and watch me twist my hair. So now I'm about to start on the last twist. So I basically do the exact same steps. However, I do something different for this section, so I'll walk you through it once I get there. So as you can see, I added all of the products, including the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and I brushed my hair. So if you watched my how to lay your edges with Jamaican Black Castor Oil, then you'll kind of understand the concept that I'm using. So I like to basically lay down the front of my hair with Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I found that it's like a nice thick oil, and I find that my hair smooths down really nicely after I put all of the oils and brush it down. So that's what I do for the front specifically. Also, the section that's right behind this one, I do that for that one as well, just anywhere in the front, just to really promote the hairs to lay down as much as possible. So now I'm going to cover my hair. I like to use these stretchy triangle scarves. Not only do I feel like they stay on my hair better, but the stretchiness, I can really like, I don't know, it helps to lay my hair down because it is able to, you know, have a good amount of tension on my edges. And then so that it doesn't fall off, I like to put the bigger scarf on top. Okay guys, so this is footage from a few days later. I think I twisted my hair on a Monday, and then this is Wednesday. So basically what I'm doing is I take out each section and I finger detangle it so that I basically stretch the hair out over time. So as you can see, my hair is really coily, and so I'm just going through and separating out the hair. I like to finger detangle personally, and it's essentially giving me a heatless blowout effect. Like I'm stretching my hair so that I can make looser curls, basically. Like instead of fighting against my texture, I now kind of have a stretched out texture that I can make my twists from. And so this is how I get my very cohesive twists, and I just find that I get the most amount of stretch so that my hair isn't shrunken up as much. But yeah, so I'm just going through and I add more oil and water. So I'll add water and then oil and then go through and try to twist it again. I've never shown you guys the back of my hair, so as you can see, I am taking my time. I swear, I'm trying to be very gentle. Also, my hair is really, really moisturized. It was time for some protein, so that's another reason why my hair is kind of hard to get through. But yeah, I just go through and apply more of the oils to my ends and my hair and twist it back up. And the water helps to reactivate the product, so there's no need to put more leave-in conditioner. Okay, so I'm just putting on the same scarves, and then I will be back to show you guys the takedown process. All right, hey everybody, it is Gwen. Yeah, I think I retwisted my hair on Wednesday. Today is Saturday. So let's see what the hair is giving. All right, so this is what the hair looks like. I'm gonna take a little bit of some light oil. This is my oil mixture. It's sweet almond oil with a bunch of different essential oils. But what I'm going to do now is the top half of my hair and start to take out these twists. Start basically at the ends. And I just twist it the other way. Once I get to the top, I twist the hair the opposite way that it's twisting. You can see me, bro. This Amazon lady is staring at me while I am untwisting my hair. So now that my hair is all taken out, let me just double check. Yeah. Okay, so now what I do is I basically will kind of like turn around so you can kind of see. You see how you have these parts and it can make your hair not lay very flat? So what I do is I find those hairs that are taking up that section and I will separate them to kind of camouflage these parts just a little bit so that it fills in those spots. Because I found that a couple YouTubers will just kind of go in with a pick and pick it out, but it's gonna make the roots super puffy, and it's also going to make your hair not move as freely. Like I want it to be where like my hair moves and, you know, it kind of, you know, moves in a cohesive way, if that makes sense. So I'll just kind of like, basically like in the middle of this area, just kind of finger detangle down, separate down, just so that now this hair is, it feels a little bit more full. Oh my gosh, my arms are so tired. Okay, so this is what it's looking like now with the center and this side kind of filled in. Yeah, so there. So now my hair looks a little less separated. Even with the front here, I will just kind of, you know, so then that'll take care of that. And then I literally will just kind of like lift at the roots and finger detangle this way, because remember I made my parts this way, so you're basically going in and like basically like picking out the roots, but you want to make it so that the hair isn't gathered up too perfectly. And so your hair has full movement rather than just taking a pick and, you know, fluffing it out. You want to make it look a little more piecey, at least if you're trying to go for the style that I usually do. And then as you can see, the hair will kind of just like have a little more of like a waterfall curl effect, and it'll flow and have a lot more movement. And that's what I like about my twist outs. I want them to have movement. Hair is fluffed. This is the product of my fluffing. So I'm going to put this in it. This is the Miel Pomegranate and Honey Curl Refreshing Spray. I love it to refresh my hair, but also it has a little bit of protein in it. So I think this is what my hair needs right now, just to not only give it some extra moisture now that it's out of the bun, but just to a little bit of strength back. All right, you guys, that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed seeing my updated twist out routine. I'm not gonna lie, this took a lot out of me, but I wanted to post it because it was requested. So yes, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also be sure to turn on all your notifications and follow me on Instagram and TikTok at SoNaturallyGwen. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.